Here are the 5 best baby food makers, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But most parents buy a bulky machine, then leave it dirty after one rushed dinner. The better call isn't more baby-only gear, it's texture, batch size, and the cleanup you'll face tomorrow. Buy for the textures your baby eats, the batch your week needs, and whether you'll wash it before bedtime. Let's move. Number 5. OXO Tot Food Masher. Need something that lives in a diaper bag instead of claiming counter space? I'd pick the OXO for soft banana, avocado, or well-cooked vegetables when you're feeding away from home. It's manual, so you control texture with simple pressure rather than plugging in another machine. That makes it useful once mashed food fits your routine and travel is part of the plan. But it mashes, it doesn't deliver the silky, machine-style puree some early feeding plans need. I wouldn't choose it for weekend prep, either. No batch capacity is listed, and repeated mashing gets old. Skip it if smooth purees or larger make-ahead portions are the goal. This is a travel tool, not your kitchen workhorse. Number 4. Sage Spoonfuls Puree and Blend. Want homemade puree without committing to a large countertop blender? I'd pick Sage Spoonfuls for a parent who wants a basic, budget-oriented tool and a simple routine. It keeps the job focused on turning everyday ingredients into homemade puree without building your kitchen around batch prep. That makes sense when you'd rather spend less now than buy another full-size appliance. But it doesn't match the leading blenders for puree smoothness or cleanup ease. Its food processor capacity isn't listed, so batch planning stays vague. I wouldn't choose it for a freezer prep routine that needs predictable portions. Skip it if clear capacity or the smoothest texture matters most. This is a sensible entry point, not a long-term batch machine. Number 3. Oster Pro 1200 Blender. Glass pitcher households should put this one on the short list. I'd pick the Oster when you want a mid-size blender for make-ahead food, without moving up to the biggest batch setup. Its 6 CUP Bora-class glass pitcher gives you room to prep several servings, rather than making tiny batches every day. I like glass here because it gives the machine a more substantial, durable feel for regular use. But it isn't the choice if the finest puree texture is your main goal. Its puree performance trails the Ninja and NutriBullet, which is why it stops at 3. I wouldn't buy it just because glass sounds nicer. Skip it if smoother results matter more than pitcher material. For glass-first parents, it's the practical compromise. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender. If your Sunday prep becomes containers lining the fridge, this is the sensible step up. I'd pick the NutriBullet for larger batches when the blender can stay out on the counter. Its 8 CUP capacity covers a real prep session, so you're less likely to run it for every single meal. That breathing room suits households making homemade food several times a week, not just an occasional single serving. But the footprint becomes annoying in a compact kitchen or beside bottles and drying racks. I wouldn't buy it expecting a store-away and forget routine. Skip it if counter space is limited. This is the strongest everyday choice, but it asks for a dedicated spot. Number 1. Ninja BL660. This is the one I'd buy if smooth puree and bigger batch prep are the actual priorities. Its 72-ounce pitcher holds up to 64 ounces, or 8 cups, of liquid, which makes a full prep session feel worthwhile. I'd use that room for families who'd rather batch, portion, and get the blender put away. It also gives the strongest puree result in this group, so texture is the reason it takes the top spot. But there's one hard limit. Don't blend hot liquids directly in the pitcher. Let cooked ingredients cool before using it, then blend. Skip it if your routine depends on blending hot food straight from the pot. For make-ahead puree, it's the decisive pick. Think of these as 5 different routines, not 5 versions of the same thing. OXO travels and mashes. Sage covers simple budget prep. Oster earns its place with glass. NutriBullet suits the always-out blender. Ninja wins when big, smooth make-ahead batches matter most. Before buying, decide whether you want mashed textures or fully blended puree, then picture your counter and storage. Also plan your usual batch before choosing a pitcher. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. Pick OXO for trips, Sage for simple budget prep, Oster for glass, and NutriBullet for a dedicated counterbatch routine. But I'd choose Ninja for large, smooth make-ahead purees. Links are in the description.